do something wrong? Oh, here he is.
He's a bad boy.
Yeah. Get him. No! Hey, if you want to see you. Give me that toy. Ow. Can I post this video of me fighting dogs and dogs fighting each other?
It's a great value. And when it comes to running your business, it's the best choice you can make. Get started for free at gusto.com.
Please subscribe to this video for me to get 40 subscribers. All I want is 40 subscribers. These dogs are very crazy. Just because of this one toy. Give me that toy. Hey, give me that toy. Ow. Ah!
Alex, you know how many views this you got on the video of you and her? 572 views. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's cute.
I need to call. I need to call our phone. Call like police. It's Santa.
Santa speaking.
Thank you for calling the North Pole.
I'm on my way.
Give me that toy. Hey. Hey, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
You guys have had a free-for-all all night. Let's go.
Bye.